Welcome to Learn Logic. Today, we're answering the question, what's a p-value? Let's dive into an example involving the weight of chips. Imagine this, a chip manufacturer claims that their bags weigh exactly 200 grams on average. But how can we test if that claim holds up? To test this, we start with two possibilities, the null hypothesis, which assumes the claim is true, the average weight is 200 grams. And the alternative hypothesis suggests the bags don't weigh 200 grams on average. Next, we gather some evidence. We sampled 30 bags, and here's what we found. The average weight is 195 grams, with a standard deviation of 5 grams. That's lighter than claimed, but is it enough to prove the manufacturer wrong? Now, we calculate the test statistic, which measures how far off our sample is from the claimed average. Using that, we compute the p-value, which answers the question, how likely is it to get a sample this extreme, assuming the claim is true? Here's the rule. If the p-value is less than or equal to 0.05, this result is unlikely to happen by chance. We reject the null hypothesis and say the bags probably don't weigh 200 grams. If the p-value exceeds 0.05, we'd accept it and assume the claim might be true. And that's it. A p-value is a powerful tool for testing claims with data. Thanks for watching.